Alright then, this is some. Oh, back. Ah! What the freak? Oh my god. Where's that going? What is it? Where it went?
It was a dud.
Oh. What the? Okay then. Alright, some fireworks. Let's go. Oh! Oh, that's dope. That's beautiful. Some dope ass fireworks right here. Back the shit up.
It's gonna go.
Oh my god, what the fuck? That's dope.
Those are free too.
Let me get a close up on this. Okay. Triple bottle rockets in a Heineken bottle. Let's light this shit. Okay, we're holding up. Get those fuses together. I'm backing the fuck up. Let me go sideways angle on this one. Man, it's windy out here. Let's go! Oh!
I wanted it too.
Oh! Well, there that goes. Alright, wait, get the other ones. It's like, what the fuck? Guess it landed over there. It landed over there. Easy, easy. Let's go. I'm trying to freaking get them when they go swoosh.
Oh, I got two.
That's dope. Oh, the other one's on. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Whee! There goes the other one.
That was delayed.
All right then. Here's one of the spinny ones. They spin in circles. That's fucking dope. Okay, it's recording. Okay, help me turn mine on.
This one here. Come on.
Okay. Fuck, one hand recordage. Alright, wait, where is everything?
Your fuses are there.
That's where your fuses are.
Go.
Okay. Okay, mine are on. I didn't turn the other one on, but I don't give a...
I think mine are both good.
Whoa!
There's three.
Oh, there's like 5. Oh, what the... That's dope. Alright, 4 in one bottle. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Got like 2.
Oh, another one. You think those other 2 are dope? Let's go for the other 2. Boogity boogity. Let me get your face in this.
I don't want to run.
Ah, my ass.
I think I only got one.
So? Yay!
Oh shit.
You want to get the other one? That was all the way up there. Okay, let's get some more. Okay, we got dose more. That means 2. 2 more. 2 more. Get the other one. No, whatever. You failed. Whoa!
Got it.
Oh, he got the other one too. Somewhere over there. 2 purple smoke bombs. This is gonna be the shit. Isn't that on?
Hold up. Time it.
Ma frio del diablo. It's already 12 seconds in.
There we go.
Come on. Those were the spinny ones, if you don't remember from the previous episodes of the spinning fireworks. Turn that shit. Smoke bombs away. What happens with smoke bombs? That's what I did last night. Oh, it's purple! Oh, shit. Shit. Man, I could get away from the cops with those shits. Let me get mad close to this one. Oh, that's that good shit. That's that good shit. The camera captures it like it's a ghost. And I see it like it's fucking pink shit. That's cool, it followed you. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, we're gonna do a little poppy. That's what they call my dad during sex. Little poppy! Alright, let's get this little poppy going. Does this work? Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god, oh! What's it doing? Yo, it's changing colors. It's green. It's orange. It's yellow. It's done.
It's gonna explode.
You're gonna explode. The fuck explode? Why? Alright, wait, let it there. Leave it. I'm scared.
It's done.
It's done?
Yeah.
Alright. This is a big poppy. That's what they call me during sex. Big poppy! Alright, this one's gonna do some shit.
It's bright. Shield your eyes.
Oh, that's bright! That's bright as freaking... That's bright. That's dope.
Now it starts changing colors.
And then it starts shaking. Oh my god, what the... That's dope. Oh, little snits. Good looks, fireworks. Off into the distant sky. Next one. Alright, here's another spinny. It spins in circles. Oh. It fell, now it's not spinning. It's spinning slowly. That sucked. Alright, this one's Uncle Ernesto. Let's go.
Big.
This one.
It's gonna shoot up in the air.
Whoa! That's very cool. Oh, it's gonna start shooting! Oh! That's cool. This is the biggest one of all.
This one's gonna shoot like crazy.
I'm gonna shoot like crazy. Yay, dance party, dance party. Yeah. I'm gonna get it a little higher so I can see when it goes upwards. And a little firecracker. Toma! Alright. Thanks for watching and tuning in on the show. Comment, rate, and subscribe.